Hello, welcome to the channel and straight down onto the tech desk today. So a really quick video, but a really useful one. So I don't know if you remember, last week we looked at the OLED and we saw if it could fit into any third-party grips. Now this is the Satisfye version 2 grip, and we had a look and we said it just couldn't fit in. It was just a bit tight. It looked to be wide enough, okay? It's just these bits in here, it just made it too tight. So we came to the conclusion, no, this didn't work. However, I had an idea. And when I say I mean this smart fella. So thank you to this person for this idea and for the reason for this video, because I'm going to show you how you can fit your OLED into the Satisfye grip. Okay, so we're all waiting for our Satisfye OLED grips. That's going to come out in November. So if you have got this one, you could modify it in the meantime of waiting for the new version, OLED version. But I just want to show you this actually works. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to flip it over and you're going to see 10 screws, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What I want you to do is I want you to take all 10 of those out, but make sure you keep these 4 separate because they are a different size to these 6 here. That's why I've got my magnetic mat. So get on, crack on, get a small screwdriver and get all of those taken out. Okay, so all screws are out now, nice and safe. We know where they're going to go back in, and you can already feel it coming apart straight away. So what you're going to do is just gently pull it apart. There should be no pressure, just pull it apart, okay? And there we go. There's where we can see all of the rubber bits from here. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to pop out these top 2, okay? Like that. And then pop this other one out on the top one up here, okay? Now you don't need those, put them to one side. And there we have it. Now what we're going to do is going to reverse the process and get this screwed back on. There we go. So all nice and tight, all back on, all nice and secure, just without those top 2. Now, what we're going to do is going to get our Switch OLEDs, and in it goes. Fantastic. As well, and I was saying about the size, there is a gap either side. I'll get close-ups of this here. There are gaps on here, so there's going to be no real difference to what the normal Switch is to what this is. It touches on there, but it was always going to touch on there anyway. But there we go. So you can use your old Satisfye grip, as long as it's the version 2 with the red rubber bits, for your Nintendo Switch OLED. And we can do that while we're waiting for the Satisfye OLED version to come. So let's just pop in the regular Switch, just to make sure that this fits in still. Yep. As it was before. Perfect. So there we go then, just a little bit of a warning. As soon as you take out one screw, you're going to invalidate any warranty that you do have with the Satisfye grip. So do be careful if you're worried about any sort of warranty. You're gonna invalidate that. But there we go. I've got my Switch OLED working with my Satisfye grip absolutely perfectly. So again, thank you very much to that person. I really appreciate that. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you get some use out of it. And until the next video, bye-bye.
Thank you.